Okay, now we have all of them. Let's make some popsicles.
Yummy. Yummy.
Then we add some mango, and now we're adding some watermelon. Eat this ice cream. I'm gonna move this.
Yummy.
Here you go. I'm just pressing it out. This one over here. That one. The next order up here. Over here. That's less like a rainbow. Let's go to yellow color. And my favorite color is blue.
The next day.
And now we have all of them.
And it's
All the colors. We actually have red, orange, yellow.
Yummy.
I